Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how can you use Google Assistant with Hey Google in your Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your this search and you have to just long press your home button. Here it is, Google Assistant. Click on get started. Now you have to just sign in your account like just this, and then you have to put email ID or here or create new account from here like this. And after doing that you have to just long press here, click on the mic, and you can say you have to just give the permission first. Now just long press and say hey Google, open YouTube. And friends, this is how you can do. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.